As a person, we all love nature and calmness. Yes, so that's how we planned a trip to explore the nature. And we have decided to travel to Kyrgyzstan, a country in the heart of Central Asia. Their culture warmly welcomed us with traditional hospitality and timeless traditions. Their ancient customs blended seamlessly with modern warmth, leaving an indelible mark. The lake John Kimin's serene waters mirrored the majestic surrounding mountains. From there, we ventured into the heart of Kyrgyzstan's breathtaking natural beauty. The lakes, the mountains, and gorges left us speechless. It is a paradox of mountains and rolling stones. Trekking through Kyrgyzstan's majestic landscapes unveiled hidden treasures. Every step revealed breathtaking vistas, forging unforgettable memories. Roads outside of Bishkek are often blocked by snow in the winter. Horseback riding, trekking, and rafting tested our limits. With the Savoring Kyrgyz cuisine, we discovered flavors blending east and west. The Skashka Canyon's fantastical landscapes transported us to a fairy tale world. The eroded sandstone formation told ancient stories. Snow-capped mountains towered above, their grandeur humbling. Dense forests and snow-covered peaks created breathtaking contrasts. Kyrgyzstan, a journey that left us in awe. Until the next adventure, it's bye.